Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Today I'm making chili lime shrimp cups. So delicious, they'll be great for a game day party. And our first step is wonton wrappers. You're going to need 15 of these. You can find them in the produce section of your grocery store. I have them laid out here. We're going to oil both sides of them and put salt on one side. So I'm going to start that right now. I've oiled both sides of the wonton wrapper and I'm just going to salt one side. Then I'm going to put it in my mini muffin pan. So just a pinch of salt on each one because there will be salt in each step. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in. You want some of it to hang over the side. It's okay that it has these folds. It's really decorative looking. Now I didn't grease this muffin pan. There should be enough oil on the wonton wrappers that that's not a problem getting them out. My oven is preheated to 350. So what you want to do is create a well so that your filling can go in. Okay, it's going to go into the oven for about 5 to 8 minutes. We want to lightly brown it. Here's what they look like. And in a minute, I'm going to put them on this rack to cool. They need time to cool. Yeah. Okay, our next step is to prepare the shrimp. So I have 15 shrimp in the bowl. I have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, chili powder, I have salt, and white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper, and then zest of 1 lime. Oh, so first I'm going to roll it on the wood, because later I am going to need it to get juice out of. And this helps. Okay. Come back to that in just a minute, but first I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil. My chili powder. Of course, some always wants to stick in the bottom. Our salt. Our white pepper. And then I'm going to start zesting the lime. The reason we want to use uncooked shrimp is because it's going to cook in the oven and make it crispy. If you use cooked shrimp, you really can't put them in the oven because they'll just get tough. It'll be too long in the oven. And we tried it on top of the stove. Nope, that wasn't the way to go. This is the way to go. Okay, everything's combined, and now I'm going to put it on our baking sheet. Spread it out. The oven's still at 350. Okay, 350 for about 8 to 12 minutes. Now that we've zested the lime, I'm going to cut it and get the juice from it. Use my juicer. This is going to yield a lot more juice than what I need. I've got sour cream. And okay, gonna mix that up.
Ooh, those look good.
Those do look good.
They smell good.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna move them into a bowl to bring them over to the other counter. I think I better keep that mid on. Ooh, you can hear them sizzle. I have everything ready to go. So here's our cups. The goal of the cups is to try and get them as flat as possible because they'll sit better. When when they won't sit flat, they still taste great. They're just difficult to work with. So let me start with those. I'm going to get a spoon out of the drawer. My baby arugula. That's going to go in the bottom. So if you have any big pieces, tear them up.
Just show me how to make one.
Okay. Okay, we'll start with our first one. We have our baby arugula. Then we're going to put a little bit of sauce in. And then we're going to put a shrimp on top. It's going to sit just like that. And that's what they look like. Chili lime shrimp cups. I want to say a couple things before we try them. If you want a spicier shrimp, you can add some more spices to it. We don't do heavy spice, just mild. And also, if you don't have a mini muffin pan and you just have a regular one, that would be fine. You're just gonna need more filling on the inside.
Look at this beautiful thing. Holy cow. It smells so good in the kitchen.
I know. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna try not to take as big a bite as I normally do.
This is not gonna be a pretty thing.
Right.
I'm gonna give it a try. There's some sharp edges here.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Very good.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
These are fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Got a little bit of spice there.
You okay?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm okay.
These, wow. You gotta make these for your next party.
Mm-hmm. Or for Valentine's Day, or for game day. They'd be wonderful.
This would be a nice football game hors d'oeuvre.
Mm-hmm.
You make other stuff with the
wonton wrappers, yeah.
these wonton wrappers.
Sausage stars.
Yeah, sausage stars. They're good.
Yeah.
Wow. Mm-mm-mm.
Very
Okay,
good.
this gets a 10.
Mm-hmm.
Perfection.
Very
hors
good.
d'oeuvre.
Very good. Yep. And I used extra large shrimp this time. You can use large too. I wouldn't go any smaller than that though.
Wow. This would be the star of the party.
It will be. I really like them.
All right, friends. When you're over next, hopefully these will be there.
That's right. Well, we hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
These are great.
So you think they're better than...
Oh yeah, this is the ticket. What else?
Mm-hmm. So good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
I think I'm even going to cook the shrimp get a little more crunch on the shrimp.
Spice is better.
Yeah.
They taste better. Oh, the other ones were like wet with the sauce and didn't.
Well, it was wet. Cooking on the stove, yeah. But compared to the first time I made it?
Good, like the first time.
Okay.
Night and day. Better with more sauce.
Thank you. I did add more sauce.